The Siberian taiga. A different planet. At Maigad 17C, the cold is a physical enemy.
For 24 hours, I lived by their rules. Rule 1. Respect the fire.
Rule 2. Fat is life.
This journey was, without a doubt,
Completely alone, in the middle of a frozen wilderness. A hot tent, survival skills, and the will to stay alive.
cooked meals or slept through snowstorms.
The canvas is my shield.
To survive here, your health depends on 3 golden rules.
You have minutes before your fingers become useless. Every second counts.
Windproof outer shells, double socks, and a full face cover. This tent is designed for this. It's a Yakushin design. It will hold.
Sealing the perimeter. No wind gets in. No heat gets out. Shelter. The first battle is won.
And now, for the most important part, the fire. Even when you're standing still, the stove, the heart of the shelter. This is the key to life. It has to be stable. This is the one thing that cannot fail. But they gave my body the fuel it needed to keep fighting the cold. Each sip helped relax my body.
Problem. A small tear. In this cold, a pinhole is a wound.
The weight of the snow is a constant threat. It can collapse everything.
Final piece. Now for the fire. With the stove built, I can finally set up my sleeping system.
A 30-pound canvas fortress against the ice.
The sun is gone. Now, the temperature plummets.
Heated water bottles as makeshift warmers. Insulation from the snow is critical. I also never allowed myself to fall into deep sleep fully. As long as it's warm and safe. The fire is a hungry beast. It must be fed every hour.
The stove gives life, but it also creates a silent killer. This is my only warning.
A hot meal. The ultimate morale boost. The camp is set. My fortress is complete.
No civilization, just the sound of wind.
I wrote in a small notebook every night what I did. The ritual of a simple task. It keeps you sane.
The fire demands constant attention, a full-time job. Organizing gear and observing the snowfall.
That short sentence kept me mentally alive when things got rough.
The reward. High grade fat and protein.
Yakut wisdom. In the cold, fat is not a luxury. It is survival. Preparing the full meal. A feast against the storm.
A touch of civilization in the absolute wilderness.
I survived. I built a home. And in the heart of a -17 degrees Celsius blizzard, I am warm. Meal is done. But the night is far from over. Storm is here. The canvas is the only thing between me and the void.
Making water. The most basic and critical task.
Morning.
Storm has passed. I made it.
Test is over. But the work is not.
Checking the integrity of the shelter. A fortress of canvas.
This is the Yakusha proving. You endure, you work, and you survive. The storm is broken, but I'm buried.
Light. The first sun in 24 hours.
The Yakut family taught me, after the cold, you must refuel.
Thought is energy. Thought is heat.
This small box of steel, my engine for 24 hours, a feast, earned. While outside, the world was ending.
Inside, I had everything I needed. I survived.
The fire is out. The heart of the camp goes cold. Breaking camp. Every piece is accounted for.
Leave no trace, only footprints. The shelter is just canvas once more. Final task. The fortress is packed.
All that remains is the proof. The proving is over.